Yeah, if you're into American football, then the Kansas City Chiefs won the Super Bowl for the first time in 50 years.
Whoa.
And they got the better of the San Francisco 49ers. Yeah, good game. And it's the third time in the playoffs that they are coming from way behind to win. I think the first game in the playoffs, they were behind like 21 points or something like that, and they came back 24, and they came back to win that one. Then they were down again in what you could consider a semi-final, I guess. It's the conference final, and they won that. And then they were down by 10 at the start of the fourth quarter in this one, and they end up winning. So Andy Reid, who everyone loves as a coach. You don't?
Can't manage. I'm no interest to try, because 1 minute of game cannot take 15 minutes to play.
It's because they play playing time. It's the same thing with basketball.
I know, I was just going to say, but I guess basketball is a little more interesting.
Basketball is only 48 minutes, you know. Basketball is...
I don't think I've ever seen a basketball match as 48 minutes.
Well, that's what I said, but it's 48 minutes of supposedly playing time.
But it excites. This to me is not so... Anyway.
No, man, it was a great game.
Personal.
It was a great game.
Personal difference. And I know a lot of Jamaicans
No, there's
were
not
watching.
a problem with that. The first time I saw this, I kissed my teeth and said, it does look like everybody around down one man to kill him. Which is
him down, kick him
which
down.
is how it did look to me the first time.
Him.
But then after I started listening to the commentators and reading, there's so much strategy in the game. It's a wonderful game. And we've started in Jamaica. I remember I interviewed
the gentleman who was here
Friday,
from the American
so there
program.
are 10 schools, and the final was actually on Saturday. And I think it was Monroe. Don't give me a hard time if I'm wrong. Monroe played Newell in the final, and I think Monroe won the game. I'm not too certain. But the halftime
Yes, other exciting moments. Yeah. Jennifer Lopez and Shakira performed, and they were the first Latin artists to co-headline America's most watched
Jennifer
annual
Lopez
event.
better as an artist or an actress? I'm asking. Is it better as an actress? You don't want to respond or
Correct.
You don't know?
Pass. Yeah. So, and then Jennifer Lopez brought out her daughter, Emmy, who apparently sang Let's Get Loud as well. So
can we see that? I see her sliding down a pole.
Who did?
Jennifer Lopez.
Well, that she can do. She dances well.
Can we see? Do you have the video? All right, wait, fine. Before you find in the pole. All right.
If Coulson in there, they will find that video for sure. J-Lo coming down a pole? Oh, he's going to find it.
Where is it?
Commercials. A lot of people watched for the commercials. Did you see any commercial that was particularly?
No. But you know how much a 30-second commercial cost?
Something like $3 million?
5.
Oh, whoa, it's 5 now.
5 million
it was
US.
3 million like 2 years ago. Whoa.
5.6 to be exact for a 30-second commercial.
I know Mr. President had a commercial in there.
Yeah. And then
Bloomberg got one in there too.
Yeah. And they also are very specific where you place the commercial. You don't just have a commercial. So as a man about to touchdown commercial. Incredible.
That's why them charge you big bucks, because they know they have the eyes.
Yep.
Captive audience.
5 million.
Okay.
There you go.
Wow.